Clever yet simple solutions, such as linking the mobile phone with office systems, have released office workers, salespeople and entrepreneurs from their desks and have enabled smaller businesses and one-man bands to offer levels of customer service expected from much larger organisations. Broadband, mobile phones and access to information on the move have allowed businesses to build stronger and more responsive relationships with customers, employees and suppliers. And mobilising your business is not as complicated and expensive as you might think. Orange offers greater value by offering mobile, broadband and landline services from a single supplier, making it quicker and easier to keep on top of all your business communications needs. Securaplan is an Orange customer reaping the benefits of some of these services.
We're currently the 6th largest provider of manned guarding services in the UK. We have about 80 field-based staff and they're constantly visiting our clients on their sites, and there's a lot of information that we needed fed back from the field to our office, to our head office, and that required quite a lot of paperwork to be filled out, to be faxed, emailed, to be sent through to us to record just information. The techniques that we used up till now were, even though they were quite modern in terms of the use of laptops, they were still pretty old-fashioned. And when we wanted to go out and find a mobile solution, we contacted Orange and they responded very swiftly. They delivered it within 10 days. They've proved to be effective and very good at delivering what they promise. Well, the new services that we've recently adopted are using the BlackBerry devices. We have an enterprise server in our offices which synchronises with our email platform, and it means that whenever an email arrives it will go straight out to the BlackBerries instantaneously. You'll sometimes find emails arriving at these devices quicker than they will into your inbox in your desktop. The killer application that we've been looking at is data capture. They can inform our systems they have arrived at a certain location, and they will then in reply receive a form tailored to the particular location they've arrived at. So they will be prompted for the information that we require captured, input it and just submit it. They send it back to our servers instantaneously. It's very simplistic, very linear, but it fulfills our requirements. The managers are over the moon with the weight saving more than anything in terms of carrying a small portable device rather than a laptop around, because they can do everything they need to on these small devices. The clients are seeing the benefits because they can log on to our extranet and see their requests for information and make sure that they're being listened to. Since we've adopted the mobile data solution, we have much more time to deal with other issues and probably also have some more personal time as well. There's really no way we could look back and compare the effectiveness of our business today as it was even 3 months ago. The change has been dramatic and the benefits are being reaped every day.
This next story from Coventry University Enterprises shows how employees can really benefit from being able to work in the way it suits them best, whether they're at home, in the office or on the move.
Coventry University Enterprises Limited are the commercial arm for Coventry University. It's the trading arm. Therefore, we offer business support services to companies UK and across Europe.
The location independent working scheme that we're both involved in enables our staff members to work from home or at remote locations. What we were looking for was a device that would bridge the gap for users between the fixed place of work and, for instance, a client premises that they may be visiting. What the smartphone enables the user to do is to have constant access to their calendar and information, their inbox and their contacts. And we found this in the Orange SPV C500 smartphone. This device specifically has got a Microsoft operating system.
There's no need for staff to actually return back to office-based working. Staff can work from anywhere in the world using the smartphone technology.
The smartphone also functions as a modem, so laptop users can actually gain an internet connection when they're out in the field. Implementing the smartphone synchronisation technology is very easy with minimal impact on existing IT infrastructure, provided the organisation has already gone down the Microsoft route.
Setting somebody up at home would cost our organisation £3,000. Somebody desk-based, £6,000. So supplying the smartphone enables us to save money, have a reliable system and a cost-effective approach to a working solution.
close relationship with Orange enabled us to realise our dream and create a rock-solid platform that's very reliable. Any organisation thinking of implementing smartphones needs to get out there and do it. It will give your mobile workforce an added dimension.
We as an organisation have gained great benefits from smartphone technology and we highly recommend it.
Mobile technologies have also had a huge impact on public services, such as Metro Line.
One of Metroline's key business issues is improving service quality. And to do that, we need to know accurately where all our buses are.
All right, how early are they? How would you find them? Route 82 was one of the worst route operators in London. During the busy times of the business, we found it hard to contact buses and we weren't able to produce a service that we know we're capable of producing. Being a high-frequency route, Metroline needed a new form of route control to improve the reliability of this route.
We introduced a system on Route 82. We saw a 70% improvement in the service quality for that route. That has its own knock-on effect.
TfL, who are the providers of the routes, are now looking at increasing the frequency of the bus service due to the amount of additional passengers that are now coming back onto this route.
The way the system works is through GPRS, which locates where the bus is. Orange provide the information back to the bus via a co-pilot, telling that driver where they are in relation to the bus in front and the bus behind. Where Orange worked very well with us was finding the black spots and providing the signals in those areas.
Now with the Orange telemetry system, we're able to look at the performance of the routes. This allows me to feed correct information back to the drivers who operate in our services.
This system will help to space out the vehicles so that the passengers waiting at the bus stop get a reliable service. What we've experienced up to now with Orange on this project is that they have worked with us to improve the quality of the system, helping us provide a better service to our customers.